The most thorough black smoky eye in just 3 steps. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Black smoky eye is a classic. When done right, it looks absolutely stunning with any outfit. But it can also be a tedious process to create one. So today I'm going to simplify it for you and I'm going to show you how to create a stunning classic black smoky eye in just 3 steps, and it's going to take you less than 5 minutes. So if you're ready, let's begin. Step 1 is to use a black eye pencil. I'm using this one from Pixie. You can use any eye pencil that you have. All I'm going to do is tight line. So I'm going to be using it in my waterline.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too.
Next, I'm going to get some of that kohl kajal on my fingertips. So I'm going to coat my finger with it and then I'm going to dab it all over my lid. So that's going to be the base. I'm taking it all the way from my lash line to the socket area while softening the edges, because blending becomes easier when you soften the edges, especially when you want to blend it in with another eyeshadow. With the same eye pencil, I'm going to thicken my lower lash line. I'm just randomly applying it in my lower lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect because we will go ahead and smudge this with a brush.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
Step 2 is to set the lid with a black eyeshadow. So we have the black base. Now I'm using a black eyeshadow over it so the black base doesn't crease. I'm going to be using a black eyeshadow from the Ofra Pro palette. You can use any black eyeshadow that you have. Step 3 is to finish up with a transition shade. I like to use a classic warm brown shade as my transition. And to apply it, I'm using a tapered blending brush. I'm going to keep on adding more eyeshadow till I'm happy with the intensity while continuing to blend.
To my place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
And to balance my lower lash line with the lid, I'm going to be using the same brown eyeshadow to set my lower lash line where I smudge the black liner. That's pretty much it, my friends. That's your 3-step black smoky eye. Looks absolutely stunning. How you want to finish this up is up to you. I'm going to be using some false lashes today, but again, that's optional. First, I'm going to use some mascara. I'm using the Revlon So Fierce Eyes Wide Open Mascara. And today I'm going to be using Pretty Wild lashes. These are foaming lashes. I'm going to link them. I love the way they glamorize any look. I usually go for lighter lashes, but not with a black smoky eye. I want it to look extremely glam. But of course, it's a personal choice. If you like to stop at mascara, you can do that. If you like lighter lashes, go for lighter lashes. If you want thicker lashes, go for them. And when I do a black smoky eye, I pair it with a nude lip because I feel like there's so much drama in the eyes. I like to balance it out with a nude lip. I like to keep the focus on one thing, and here it's the eyes. So on my lips today, I'm going to be using the Quench Lip Rescue. This is by Tarte. And I'm going to be using the shade Nude. Absolutely love this. It just enhances your natural lip color and looks absolutely stunning. But I'm going to first start with a nude lip liner. I'm going to link everything for you. And then I'm going to fill my lips in with the lipstick. Also, a red lip looks absolutely fantastic with a black smoky eye. That used to be my favorite combo for New Year's. Of course, now I like to experiment a lot more, but there was a time when I would only do black smoky eye with red lips for New Year's Eve. And here's the finished look. A classic black smoky eye got done in just 3 steps in less than 5 minutes and paired with a stunning nude lip. I live for this look, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. So comment below and let me know. And if you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. And if you want information on any of the products that I used, you can click on the View Products link embedded within this video. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several times a week, and let me know what you'd like to watch next. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.